Good morning, students. Now we will discuss the area of sector and the segment. First of all, we should know about what is sector and what is the segment. There is so much confusion for the students, that is the sector or segment. So first of all, I give the definition and try to describe what is the sector and what is the segment. The circular region enclosed by two radii. These are the two radius of the circle and corresponding arc. This is the arc which is related to this. So this is the sector and is known as minor sector. This radii are also connected with this arc also, so it is known as major sector. Clear? याद रखिएगा, सेक्टर वो होता है जो रेडियस के साथ साथ आर्क से रिलेटेड होता है, उसे सेक्टर रहते हैं. इन द अदर वे, सेगमेंट इज द सर्कुलर रीजन एनक्लोज्ड बाय द कॉर्ड एंड द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क. कॉर्ड और आर्क के बीच में जो एरिया बन रहा है, दैट इज द सेगमेंट. मीन्स ये मेरे पास कॉर्ड है ए बी और ये मेरे पास आर्क है, तो ये जो एरिया है दैट इज द सेगमेंट एंड इट इज नोन एज माइनर सेगमेंट. इसके अलावा बाकी इस कॉर्ड से ऊपर जो एरिया बन रहा है ये सारा विद इंक्लूडिंग दिस ट्राइंगल, देन दीज आर नोन एज, ये जो एरिया मेरे पास है दिस विल बी नोन एज मेजर सेगमेंट. Now the formula of sectors. The area of minor sector is, area of minor sector बोलो या area of sector, that is pi r square theta upon 360, and the area of major sector will be area of circle minus area of minor sector. It means it will be pi r square theta upon 360, pi r square minus pi r square theta upon 360. Clear? Similarly, in the major and minor sector, area of minor sector is माइनर सेगमेंट, इसे ध्यान से समझिएगा. इसके दो एरिया दो तरीके से होते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. अगर इस पूरे सेक्टर में से, इंक्लूडिंग दिस ट्राइंगल, अगर इस पूरे सेक्टर में से अगर ये ट्राइंगल हटा दूं तो मेरे पास माइनर सेक्टर आ जाएगा. तो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. But problem is that how will you find the area of triangle? Because always there is not a angle of 90 degree where you can say that area of triangle is half base into height. There is maybe possible angle कुछ भी हो सकता है, 30 भी हो सकता है, 60 भी हो सकता है, 45 भी हो सकता है. So in this case there is another formula, that is pi r square theta upon 360. This is the area of sector. For area of triangle having any angle is given here is 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. ये फॉर्मूला आपकी बुक में नहीं है, लेकिन इसलिए अच्छे से याद रखना. इससे आप जल्दी से जल्दी एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट निकाल सकते हैं, माइनर सेगमेंट को. अगर मेजर सेगमेंट निकालना क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल में से इस सेगमेंट के एरिया को, माइनर सेगमेंट के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे, हमारे पास मेजर सेगमेंट आ जाएगा. कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर करने के लिए लेट अस टेक द एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस. ईच क्वेश्चन वी विल सॉल्व हियर. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ऑफ सर्कल विद रेडियस 6 एंड एंगल ऑफ द सेक्टर इज 60. So just for understanding that question, there is a circle, we have to find the area of this sector having radius 6 centimeter and the angle is 60 degree. So we can say here radius is 6, r is 6 and theta is 60 degree. So area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360. It means 22 upon 7, r is 6, theta is 60 and that will be 360. Cancel out 6 cancel, it will be 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Centimeter square, that is why, because it is an area. Our area is always unit square. Now the second question is, find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22. There is a circle having circumference is 22 centimeter. हमें कुछ भी निकालना है, quadrant निकालना है या sector निकालना है, whatever it is, we should know the radius of this circle first of all. So here 2 pi r is equals to 22 centimeter. Now मुझे क्या find out करना है? Area of the quadrant. What is quadrant? What do you mean by quadrant? Quadrant is nothing, just 1/4 of circle. So I can say 1/4 part. Let's suppose this वाला part हमें ये निकालना है और it is a sector. Nothing, just sector. It means we can say area of sector having angle 90 degree, because this is on 90. But we need to find the radius first of all. So radius will find there. From here I can say radius is 222 by 7 into r is equals to 22, or r is equals to 22 into 7, 2 into 22, 22 cancel out, that is 7 by 2 centimeter. Now area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360. So 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2, 7 by 2, theta is 90 upon 360. Just solve it, you will get the answer. It is 11 into 7 upon 2 into 8, 2 into 4, sorry. It means 77 upon 8 centimeter square. There is another way to find the area of quadrant. As I said, area of quadrant is 1/4 area of circle. If you don't understand this one, you can try this also. So 1/4 pi r square, it means 1/4 22 by 7, 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Again the same answer here, 77 upon 8 centimeter square. So you can find the area of quadrant by any other these two methods which is suitable or understand by you. So the third question, I have written already something here. In the third question it says the length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. I made a clock and take the minute hand at the 12 and taking the radius as 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by it by in 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes the minute hand will reach to 1. There is a 5 minutes left. We have to find this area. So I say that you can understand how it is. In 1 hour the clock minute hand will be take one complete round. अगर 8 घंटे में एक मिनट हैंड पूरा एक कंप्लीट राउंड ले लेती है, इसका मतलब 60 मिनट में 360 डिग्री कवर कर लेती है ना. तो 5 मिनट्स में कितना हो रहा, 30 डिग्री. दिस इज आवर थीटा एंड द रेडियस इज 14. नाउ एरिया इज अगेन इट इज अ सेक्टर. So pi r square theta upon 360. means 22 by 7. R is 14. 14. Theta is 30 upon 360. First of all, it will be 12. Now 7 से ये 2, 2 से ये 6, अगेन 2 से ये 11 और 2 से ये 3. So the remaining part is 11 into 14 upon 3, or it is 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So in this question we come to know an important thing, that is minute hand. Always remember 1 minute is equals to 6 degree. This is the important part we come to know about by this question. There is a question number 3 now. The length of minute hand, the question number 4 it is. Question number 4 says the chord of a circle radius 10 centimeter. So radius is 10 centimeter and the angle is 90 degree, as I said, right angle. We have to find the area of minor segment. Segment is this one, and we know area of minor segment is by the formula I have written, that pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. You just apply it, you will get the answer very easily. Here question says that pi should be taken as 3.14. So we have to take this one. 3.14, r is 10, 10, theta is 90 upon 360 minus 1 upon 2, 10, 10 sin 90. Now just take the decimal part and take the 100. So it will be 100 से cancel out, 90 से ये 4. It is 314 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2, 10 into 1, because sin 90 is 1. You have already learnt in the trigonometry. It will be 2 upon 157 is there. So it is 157 upon 2 minus 100 upon 2, or I can say 157 minus 100 upon 2. It will be 57 upon 2, or 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. What about the area of major segment? So for major segment I can say area of major segment is, as I told you, for finding the major segment, just subtract the area of minor segment from the area of circle. So area of circle minus area of minor segment, and you know area of circle is pi r square minus minor segment is 28.5. This is 3.14, 100, 10, 10 minus 28.5, or it is 314 minus 28.5. What will be the answer of it? That will be 285.5 centimeter square. Now question number 5 is here. Here it says that radius is 21 centimeter and angle subtend at the center is 60 degree. So first of all I have to find the area of my length of arc. Length of arc means length of this one, and this length of r अगर मैं L कहूँ तो L is always equals to 2 pi r theta upon 360, और अगर 2 से इसे कैंसिल कर दें then it is pi r theta upon 180. So length of arc is pi r theta upon 180. Pi, as it says, nothing, just we take the 22 by 7. R is 21, theta is 60 upon 180. So that will be 3 से ये 7 से 7 खत्म, 22 centimeter. Second part, he says area of sector. Again, sector is whole one. Formula is pi r square theta upon 360, and that will be 22 by 7. R is 21, theta is 60 upon 360. This will be cancel out 6, 7 से ये 3 से ये 2 और 2 से ये 11. So it will be 231 centimeter square. Now the third part, area of segment. Area of माइनस सेगमेंट, corresponding segment. इसके साथ corresponding segment यही बनता है. So we have to take the minor segment. Then area of segment is pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Here, as we know, the pi r square theta upon 360 is 231. So it is 231 minus 1 upon 2 r square is 21, and that is sin 60. So it will be 231 minus 441 upon 2 into root 3 by 2. As you know, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 by the trigonometric value. So on further we can say it is 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. This is the area of segment of the corresponding part. Now question number 6, it says a chord of a circle of radius 15 subtend angle 60 degree at the center. Find the area of major and minor segment. Minor segment और major segment दोनों ही लेने हैं. He as says pi has taken as 3.14 and root 3 value is also given here, and that is 1.73. This is given. So first of all, minor segment. The area will be pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Pi is 3.14, r square is 15, theta is 60 upon 360 minus 1 upon 2, 15, and that is sin 60 degree. Now for solving this, we use some basic mathematics simple tricks. First of all, 15 here also and here. So why should I multiply 2 times it? I just take 15 and 15 as a common, and that will be 6. This is 3.14 upon 6 plus 1 upon 2 sin 60. We know that sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 by 2. Here also it will be cancel out. Then it is 1.57 upon 3. So it is 15 into 225. 1.57 upon 3 minus that will be 1.73 upon 4 by taking the multiplication. Now take the LCM. That is 225. LCM is 12. By multiplying 4 it is 6.28, and multiply by 3 I will get 5.19. So it will be 225 multiplied by, just minus it, you will get 1.09 upon 12. Now by solving it, we will get the area of minor segment, that will be 20.43, I think 75 centimeter square. Now for the major segment, it will just area of circle minus minor segment, that will be pi r square minus minor segment is already there, that is 20.4375. So 3.14, 15 into 15 minus 20.4375, and then by solving it I will get 58.875 centimeter square. You know how to multiply and then minus. There is no need to take wasting the time. So now the question number 7. Again there is a chord of a circle made an angle 120 with the center. I have to find the minor segment. So here radius is 12 centimeter and the angle is 120 degree. So area of minor segment will be, again the same formula, pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Here already given that we have to take pi as 3.14 and root 3 is equals to 1.73. So again that is 3.14, 12, theta is 120 upon 360 minus 1 upon 2, again 12 sine 120 degree. Here you can see again 12 is common out. So 12 and 12 common out. This will be 3. This is 3.14 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. What about sine 120 degree? This value is not given in your trigonometric table, but you should know that sine 120 degrees always equals to sine 60 degree. So we can say it is nothing, just root 3 by 2. So it will be 144, 3.14 upon 3 minus 1.73 upon 4. As I done in a previous question, 144, that will be LCM is 12. This will be 12.56 minus 5.19. From this 12 it will be cancelled out as 12. So it will be 12 into 12.59 multiplied by minus this one. I will get, this will be 3.7. You just multiply it, you will get the answer, and that will be 88.44 centimeter square is the required area of minor segment with the corresponding chord. Now there is a question number 8. It's a very important question. As I said, in a square field of side 15 centimeter, I have made a square field of the side 15 centimeter each. A horse is tied at the one end of the one corner of a field. Find the area raised by it. अब इस हॉर्स को मैंने 5 मीटर रस्सी से बांध दिया, तो मेरे पास इस सेक्टर के लिए, सेक्टर ही बना नहीं मेरे पास, इस सेक्टर के लिए एंगल कितना है, थीटा. सो थीटा इज 90 डिग्री एंड द रेडियस विल बी जस्ट द rope, length of the rope tied by the horse, that is 5 centimeter. So area of sector will be pi r square theta upon 360 again. Now here is no condition of boundations for the pi, so I will take 22 by 7, r is 5, angle is 90 upon 360. By taking 90 this, that is 4 or 11. It is 11 into 25 upon 14, or it is 275 upon 14 centimeter square. In the second part of the question it says if the radius will change to 10 centimeter, then find the area increased or raised by the horse. So here I can say area of now radius is 10 centimeter and the radius is theta is again 90 degree. Now area is, we can take pi as this 3.14 here as it is given in the question, but I just not recognize it. So pi is 3.14, r is 10, theta is again 90. Here 100 or 100 will cancel out it. This will be 4, 157. So it is 157 by 2 centimeter square. This is the area when the rope is 10 centimeters. So area increased is 157 by 2 minus 275 by 14. You just subtract it, you will get the answer, and the answer will be 58.875 centimeter square. Now the question number 9, it is an important question again. He says a broach having 5 diameters, of each diameter is 35 mm. Here diameter is 35 mm. Then radius will be 35 by 2 mm. Their total diameter is 5 diameters. Then the first question said length of the silver wire required to make this broach. So length of the wire required will be circumference plus 5 into diameters. Why? Because ब्रॉच जब बना तो एक तो ये सर्कमफ्रेंस चाहिए और 5 डायामीटर में हमने वायर लगाई है तो इंटू चाहिए. दैट इज मीन्स 2 पाई आर प्लस 5 into d. It is 2 pi is 22 by 7, r is 35 by 2 plus 5 into 35. This will be just simple, that is 1110 plus 175, or it is 285 mm. This is the first part of this question. In the second part, he says, find the area of each sector made by these wire. So first of all, here R is, we know that 35 by 2. But what about theta? If I want to find the area of this sector, then this theta will be, this will be 360 upon 10, because there are 10 sectors now. So it is 36 degree. So theta is 36. Now the area is pi r square theta upon 360, means 22 by 7. R is 35 by 2. 35 by 2. Theta is 36 upon 360. Now this is 10. 7 से ये 5. 5 से ये 2. And nothing, just 2 is there. This 2 is cancelled out. This will be 11 into 35 upon 4, or it is 385 by 4 mm. square. This is the area of one sector in that broch. Here is the question number 10. He says the umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming that umbrella is a circle, flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, radius is 45 centimeter, then theta I have to find for one sector. Then theta will be, because there are 8 ribs, it means theta will be 360 upon 8. And what will be the answer of it? That will be 45 degree. So area of each sector is pi r square theta upon 360, means 22 by 7. R is 45. 45, theta is also 45 upon 360. That will be 45 upon, that is 8, divided by 2, it is 4, it is 11. Means 11 into 45 into 45, 2025 upon 28. Just solve it, you will get the answer. Or just multiply upper part. That will be 22275 upon 28 centimeter square. In the 11th question it says the tire wiper, 2 wipers do not overlap and the length of each blade is 25. So radius is 25 and angle made by each blade is 115 degree. Then find the area covered by them. So there are 2 blades. So first of all the radius is 25 and theta is 115. So area of one sector, covered by one blade, you can say, is pi r square theta upon 360. So covered by 2 blades will be, there are 2 blades, that is 2 into pi r square theta upon 360. Again 2, pi is 22 by 7, r is 25, theta is 115 upon 360. Just try to solve it now. This is by the 5, you can say this is 23 and that is 72. From 2 it is 36. From next to this is 11 upon 18 and nothing can be divided now. So we'll just multiply it. This will be 11 into 625 into 23 upon 126. By multiplying it, we will get 158123 upon 25, I think. Yes, 1 upon 126 centimeter square. This is the area swept by 2 blades, not one, by the both of blades. You just, in these all questions you can see the calculation is the main part. Be careful by doing this. Now there is question number 12. A lighthouse to warn the ships cover a distance of 16.5 kilometer in the radius and angle which is covered is 80 degree. Then find the area covered by it. Again here theta is equals to 80 degree and r is equals to 60.55 kilometer. So area will be, it is a sector again. Here is no condition is given, just only pi we have to use as 3.14. Area is pi r square theta upon 360. So again pi is 3.14. R is 16.5 into 16.5. Theta is 80 upon 360. 0 से 0 cancel, 4 से 2, 4 से 9. इन सब के डेसिमल्स हटा दिए जाएं तो बेटर रहेगा हमारे लिए. दैट विल बी 10, 10 and here will be 100. So it is 314 upon 100 into 165 upon 10, 165 upon 10 into 2 by 9. एक कैलकुलेशन तो आसान तरीके बताता हूँ. और नीचे आपके पास जीरोज ही ओनली 1 के साथ, तो इनको ना छेड़ो, बस वो नंबर कैंसिल करने की कोशिश करो जिसके पास जो 1 में नहीं है, यूनिट में नहीं है. दैट इज 3 से ये डिवाइड करके दैट विल बी 55. अगेन 3 से डिवाइड करके दैट इज 55. अब अगर हम देखें तो 5 से ये 11, 5 से ये 2 और 2 से ये कैंसिल होता है. पूरा कंप्लीट नंबर डिवाइड होना चाहिए. अगर मेरे पास नीचे 10, 100 ऐसा है तो पूरा कंप्लीट डिवाइड होना चाहिए, कुछ बचना नहीं चाहिए. फिर उसमें से इधर फिर से 11, इधर ये 2 और 2 से ये 157. सो इन द अपर पार्ट आई गेट 157 इंटू 11 इंटू 11. नीचे मेरे पास बचा 100 ओनली. नाउ जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई and put the decimal. No need to worry about that. It is 18997 upon 100. Just put the decimal. 189.97 kilometer square area the light will covered. Now the most typical and most important question. It is most important question है इस exercise का. As I said, it is design table cover. A design is this one also. These are the designs. We have to find the area of this design. Having given radius is 28 centimeter. But what about theta? So we can see here the cover is made 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So theta will be 360 upon 6. Means 60 degree. Now I have to find the cost of it at the rate of, the rate is given as 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. इस डिज़ाइन का रेट कॉस्ट बताना है मुझे कितना होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ segment. So area of one segment is pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Here is no condition for the pi, so we can take 22 by 7 as usual. 22 by 7, r is 28, 28, theta is 60 upon 360 minus 1 upon 2, 28, 28 sin 60 degree. Here again, as I always done, if there are radius with common parts, so I take 28 into 28 out, I will get, this will be cancel out as 6, or this is 11 upon 21. Here 1 by 2 sin 60 is root 3 by 2. It is given that root 3 is equals to 1.7 I have to take. So it will be 28 into 28, 11 upon 21 minus 1.7 upon 4. If I take the LCM, it will be 84. There is 44 minus, here will be 35.7. From 28 I can cancel out, one part is 3, so the remaining portion is 28 into, when I minus it, how much I will get? I will get 8.3 upon 3. This is the area of one segment. So area of 6 segment is 6 into 28 into 8.3 upon 3, or it will be this one. So I will just multiply it for you. That is 83 multiplied by 28. or it is 6, 16, then 4, 12, 13, 2. It will be 2 into 2, 3, 2, 4 centimeter square, or it will be 4, 6, 4, 8 centimeter square. Here is a decimal also. So 464.8 centimeter square. Now cost is 0.35 multiplied by 464.8. Just multiply and you will get the answer, and that will be 162.68 rupees. The cost of the design made in the table cover. So as you can see, we had covered all the exercise of 12.2. In the next lecture we will discuss the next exercise 12.3, area of shaded regions. This is a very important exercise again. In the next lecture we will discuss it. Till then, practice this. Remember, the calculation should be fast, otherwise this question takes most of time in the calculation.